Hello everybody, we're going to continue our derivative rules recap with a review of the quotient rule. The quotient rule is used when we have a function being divided by another function. And the way we take the derivative is we take the derivative of the first function times the second function as is. So that's the numerator times the denominator as is, minus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator as is, all over the denominator as is squared. So we think about it as bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom divided by the bottom squared. So over here, if I want to take the derivative, I'm going to take the derivative of the numerator. So it's d by dx of 5x minus 1 times so it should be a square bracket, times the denominator as is, minus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator as is, all over the denominator squared. Now, if we want to work on this then, so this is me telling you what I'm going to do. Now I'm actually going to do it. The derivative of 5x minus 1 is just 5 times 2x plus 3, it's a plus, minus the derivative of the denominator is just 2 times 5x minus 1, and that's all over 2x plus 3 squared. Okay. So now we could tidy this up a little bit by expanding. We don't have to. We're actually done here doing the derivative, but I'm going to tidy it up just a tiny bit. I'm going to get 10x plus 15 minus 10x plus 2 all over 2x plus 3 squared. And that is going to give me these 10x's here and here are going to cancel. I'm going to get 17 over, oops, I'm just going to put a divided sign. Normally we put over 2x plus 3 all squared. Okay, so that is our first derivative question. Here's another example. If I want to take the derivative, and I'll be a little bit faster this time. I won't show what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to take the derivative of the numerator, which is 4x, okay, 2 times 2x, times 3x minus 2. This is a minus. And I'm going to subtract. The derivative of 3x minus 2 is just 3 times 2x squared, all over 3x minus 2 all squared. Now I could stop there, but we probably need to tidy this up just a tiny bit. If it was a lot bigger polynomial here, I might not do this, but I can do this now fairly easily. That's going to be 12x squared minus 8x minus 6x squared all over 3x minus 2 squared, and that simplifies to 6x squared minus 8x all over 3x minus 2 all squared. Now I could also factor out a 2x there if I want to be extra fancy. It's going to be giving me, 3x minus 4, and that is all over, sorry I ran out of space here, 3x minus 2 all squared. Thank you, and work on the practice questions, please.